Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going over how to bulk remove watchers from your ClickUp task. Now this was actually a subscriber requested video, so when you put video suggestions in the comments, I do see those and I want to be able to help you guys. So I've already created or added watchers for 4 tasks. You can see right over here that we have added myself as a watcher, and if we were to go to the other 4 ones, those would show it as well. Now this is a little bit tricky because the UI is very, very unclear about how to do this. So I'm going to select those 4 tasks there that I know I added the watchers to. Now I'm going to click on up here at the top, the watcher one. It doesn't even show that I am the watcher here, which is really confusing. So what you're going to do is you are going to add yourself, and it's going to show that 1 watcher added and 0 removed for 4 tasks, and then you'll unadd yourself or whomever. And now you can see here the notification was 0 watchers added and 1 removed for 4 tasks. So very, very tricky and very, very unclear of how to undo those, especially in this new UI. So let's go ahead and just double check that this is gone. Let's go into goals here, and you can see here I removed myself as a watcher and that we have no watchers here. So yeah, it was a little bit tricky, but hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can check out more ClickUp tutorials down in the description below.